Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get the fish ship in Geometry Dash. So first step is open Geometry Dash and go to the garage. So just launch your application, and from the main menu, look for the garage button. So that is the icon with the cube or the character. So tap or click on it to access the icon kit where you can customize your character. Step number 2 is navigate to the icon kit. So once in the garage, you will see the icon kit with different tabs at the top, and these tabs represents different game modes: cube, ship, ball, UFO, wave, robot, spider, and more. So each tab shows the icons available for that mode. Step number 3 is select the ship tab. So click on the ship tab. It looks like a small spaceship icon. So this will show you all the ship designs you've unlocked and the ones still locked. So scroll through the available ships to find the fish ship. Step number 4 is find and unlock the fish ship. So the fish ship requires 45 user coins to unlock. So the user coins are the silver coins found in the official levels. So keep playing and collecting them. So once you have enough, the fish ship icon will be available to select. So click on it to equip. And lastly is enjoy your new ship. So congratulations, you can now play any level with your awesome fish ship. So it works on all ship section of any level, so you can show off your new icon to friends and dominate those ships sequences in style. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!